Hello, good morning. My name is Sushan Buddhiga and my index number is BST slash B2 slash 24 slash 28. And today I will going to explain how to install the Visual Studio software. You can see my screen Visual Studio Community 2026. We are going to search and now we can see Visual Studio Community. So this one we have to download. Now it's clear downloaded and uh, now you can show the progress bar is going to complete. Then we can after the download completion we can show like that here on the downloading process. The desktop development with C++ here. Now that we go into the installation details. Desktop development with C++. Already you can see here the almost tick here, and also we check others to have to be checked. The tick me I want the space must be required 12.34 GB at minimum, and then install. Click here, and after the progress we can check here with the what to do the uh, on Visual Studio Community 2026 study in progress. We can see follow like that the progress bar, and after the installation we can see the Visual Studio C++ like this guys. Visual Studio installation completed. Now go into the C++ program and create create new project, empty project, create source file, add new item, C++, add like that window we can show. Now we are going to window, reset window layout. Yes, now this we can enter the new project. Now I am going to explain CLI-based C++ program that calculates area and circumference of circle by requesting the radius from the user. I will explain the program by step by step, including header, the files, variables, data types, constants, and input and output, also formulas. As include Spark, isofilm, Spark using namespace, std, colon, main function, int main, we have to include int int main in brackets. After that, enter, return 0. plot area, and plot radius. Plot radius dot circumference. Constant plot I equal uh, 3.4, sorry, 14. Can show yes error. I'm going to correct it like that. FLO T FLOT, also here FLOAT, plot FL. Now here I declare variables. I use the float data type because area and circumference produce decimal values, not whole numbers. Here I use float pi because constant like that constant pi is a fixed mathematical value that should never change. The constant give the value from accidental modification. Now I am going to enter the user input, cout, double Bismarck, colon, enter, enter the radius of the circle. The circle. C in, double Bismarck, radius. Yes. This error shows interval simple like that. This error is come. This is the calculation logic. Area area equal pi. Area equal pi into radius. Radius into radius. Output as follows. We can write cout double Bismarck, the area of uh, the area the circle is our mark area area and see out see the circumference of the circle circle is mark circumference and return 0 uh, return to 0 finally return the 0 indicate the program has executed successfully and improperly. Now I am going to debug the program with run like that. Okay, enter the radius of circle. The example 12. Enter. The area of the circle is 252.305. The circumference of the circle is 75.38. Now this program I think is correct successfully. I have done. So this is the program, and thank you very much.